as it is very stormy today, I can't go to the forest to get the logs I need for my timber framing project. I would love to do this, but I just can't. But a friend of ours asked me to do a little project for her. She's into baking bread herself, and for the sourdough she needs this spatula. And sourdough, I guess it's very sticky, so with a wooden spatula like this, it might be better to handle it. So I've got a very nice piece of prune. This is prune. I already did my mallet with it, and it's very beautiful. Okay. Okay. Can't say that this is a method I've tried before, but I'm just trying to get things done, and I know how hard this wood is. Wood it's just beautiful. This simple piece of wood can be a useful tool for the next 200 years. And now I will finish this with linseed oil. Not the boiled linseed oil this time, but the normal linseed oil that you can put on your salad. It's perfectly edible, and this oil can also dry out. It takes quite some time, but it will dry out. And for the next few days, I'll repeat this. I hope the storm passes and I can go to the woods and getting my lumber for the timber framing project. And but for this week, this has to do it. So thanks for watching, and take care. Bye bye.